my name is Rich. I'm the executive director here. Lucy is obviously an elephant. Okay, she was built in 1881 as the brainchild of a developer from Philadelphia named James Lafferty. And he built the elephant in hopes of bringing prospective real estate buyers down from Atlantic City to sell his real estate holdings. There was so much interest about the elephant that it actually convinced the Camden Atlantic Railroad to extend the track down Atlantic Avenue. Lafferty started bringing people down, and he brought them up into the riding carriage on top, the howdah, and showed his different parcels of land. Wasn't selling well. He was about 15 years premature. He wound up losing the elephant and sold it to the Gertson family, who operated it for the next almost 70 years. From 1904 all the way up to 1962, it was just operated as a tourist attraction. In 1962, it had fallen into such a state of disrepair that the city actually condemned it and declared it unsafe for people to walk through. In 1969, the Gertsons sold their land to a condo developer, and Lucy was going to be torn down. A group of people heard about it and said, we can't let that happen, so they basically formed this grassroots committee called the Save Lucy Committee, which was reopened to the public in 1974. Then in 1976, it was designated a National Historic Landmark. So our main source of funding is the gift shop and guided tours through the monument. In middle March, we are offering 3 one-night stays inside Lucy in conjunction with Airbnb. And then, of course, every year we celebrate her birthday on July 20th here on the grounds with a big carnival-like party. And now, today, she's operated as an internationally known tourist attraction.
For more information on Lucy and upcoming events, you can follow them on Facebook and Twitter and check out their official page. And be sure to subscribe to Girls and Gaming in South Jersey for more news.